Hey everyone, Andy, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something super special for you, a simple, all-natural drink that can seriously kickstart your journey to a flatter tummy. If you're looking to boost your metabolism and burn that stubborn belly fat, you're in the right place. The best part, it's incredibly easy to make with ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Ready to feel lighter and more energized? Let's dive right in. First things first. Let's gather our powerhouse ingredients. You'll need 1 glass of warm water, 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of pure honey, about half a teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, and just a pinch of cinnamon powder. It's that simple. Alright, let's start by taking our glass of warm water. It's really important that the water is warm, not boiling hot. We want to preserve all the amazing enzymes and nutrients in our ingredients, and hot water can compromise them. Think of it as giving your body a gentle, warm hug from the inside out. Next up, we're adding 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Lemons are a fantastic natural detoxifier. They help cleanse your system and are packed with vitamin C, which is great for your skin and the immune system. Plus, they really get your digestive system moving, which is key for beating the bloat. Now for a touch of natural sweetness, we'll stir in 1 teaspoon of honey. Honey isn't just delicious, it's a natural energy booster and has wonderful properties that can soothe your system. Make sure you stir it in well until it's completely dissolved in the warm water. Time to spice things up a bit with our secret weapon, ginger. Grate about half a teaspoon of fresh ginger and add it to the mix. Ginger is a thermogenic food, which means it helps to slightly raise your body temperature and fire up your metabolism. It's an absolute superstar when it comes to burning fat and aiding digestion. Finally, we'll add just a tiny pinch of cinnamon powder. Don't go overboard here. A little goes a long way. Cinnamon is brilliant for helping to stabilize your blood sugar levels. When your blood sugar is stable, you're less likely to have those intense cravings for sugary snacks. It's a small step that makes a huge difference. Give everything a final, thorough stir to make sure all that goodness is combined. And there you have it. Your delicious, metabolism boosting, fat burning drink is ready to go. For the absolute best results, I recommend drinking this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This allows your body to absorb all the nutrients efficiently and gets your metabolism firing on all cylinders for the day ahead. You can also have a glass before your main meals to help control your appetite and improve digestion. Of course, remember that there's no more magic bullet. This drink is a powerful tool, but it works best when you pair it with a balanced, healthy diet and regular physical activity. Consistency is your best friend here. Try making this a part of your daily routine for a few weeks, and I'm confident you'll start to see and feel positive difference. If you enjoyed this recipe and found it helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with a friend who might need it, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on more healthy tips and recipes. Thanks so much for watching, and here's to a healthier, happier you. See you in the next video.